Trophy Signature Homes.
Here you go, Daddy.
Follow along, my good sir. So, these are another couple of houses that were sold in Waxahachie. They look pretty nice for the floor plan. Floor plan. Gives a thumbs up. Yes, sir. He's along for the journey.
So this is how you been, Daddy?
Yup.
Whoa.
It's a nice bathroom.
What's
Washer dryer right here.
Oh, this is the bathroom. I like this bathroom.
I do too. It's nice.
Whoa, look, Daddy. I got this one.
What they got in here?
Not a shower.
They don't got two showers.
They just have one shower.
They got one shower.
Look at that inside.
Solitude. Yes, sir. Whoa. This closet gets set up. It's gonna be pretty nice.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
I told you I want to stay, okay?
We going upstairs. Let's go. We are walking up the stairs. See how big? This is supposed to be the loft. It's a pretty big loft. A lot of these houses I notice here got a lot of these family rooms upstairs. Hmm? Yeah. We will about to go downstairs, another bathroom. That's 3 I've seen so far.
I'm scared up here.
You scared up here? It's just construction. It's okay.
Is this okay?
Yep. Nothing gonna happen. It's a nice little home. Yes, sir. What do you think of the house, Kyle?
Good!
It's good?
I wish I buy this house.
You wish you could buy this house?
Yeah, for you, me, and Mama, and brother.
Okay. We need to get something like this.
Because this is cool.
This looks cool.
Yeah.
Kiddo approves. That's a good sign. That's a clear sign. We need to get him in the real estate. Yeah.